How to use these are.
Those are.
We use these to refer to people or things that are near us, especially when we touch them or point to them. These are teddy bears. We use those when we are referring to people or things that are a distance away from us, especially when we point to them. Those are teddy bears.
What are these?
These are teddy bears.
What are those?
Those are teddy bears.
What are these?
These are toy trains.
What are those?
Those are toy trains.
What are these?
These are birds.
What are those?
Those are birds.
What are these?
These are toy ducks.
What are those?
Those are ducks.
What are these?
These are balloons.
What are those?
Those are balloons.
These are. Those are.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel to support our creations. Give us a thumbs up and share. Thank you. See you.